Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a VW Jetta air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, possibly a Torx bit, and of course, a new air filter. Make sure your engine is cool to the touch before you begin. Now, locate the air filter housing, which is usually a large black box near the front of the engine compartment. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Now that you've located the air filter housing, it's time to open it up. Depending on your Jetta model, you'll either unscrew several screws, often Torx, or unclip a series of metal clips around the perimeter. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the top half of the air box. Be careful not to force it, as there might be hoses or wires attached. This reveals the old, dirty air filter. With the airbox open, carefully lift out the old air filter. Take a moment to inspect it. You'll likely see accumulated dirt and debris. Before installing the new filter, quickly wipe out any loose leaves or dirt from inside the housing. Now, take your new air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it fits perfectly without any gaps. Its proper seating is crucial for effective filtration. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully lower the top half of the airbox back into place, ensuring all tabs and grooves align correctly. Re-engage all the clips or tighten all the screws you removed earlier. Give everything a quick check to make sure the housing is sealed tightly. A properly sealed airbox prevents unfiltered air from entering your engine. You've successfully changed your Jetta's air filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.